Within sToolTracker, you have the possibility to move tools between different storage locations. To get started, open up the sToolTracker Relocation card. Expand the card and enter a document number. Also select the tool which you wish to relocate. The description and current location are automatically filled. Now select the new location where we wish to move the tool. Also select the quantity of the tools that we want to move. As this tool has serial number tracking enabled, we need to be able to select the tool for the specific serial number to move. To do so, select Line, Tool Tracking Lines. This will open up the serial number selection tool. Here, enter the serial number or click on the little dots to choose from the list. The expire date is automatically entered and select the quantity to 1. Close the card and select Print Post from the menu. This will post the entries to the journal. Now open up the tool card and select the tool for which we just did the relocation. From the menu, select History, Tool Ledger Entries, expand the card, and we have a complete view of the relocation we just performed.